Hey guys, it's Buck from our Countryside Homestead. Today I thought we'd do another unboxing. I know we did one with some other products. This is the X075 Sentry safe. We got this at Walmart. This safe is not fireproof and waterproof, but right now I just want something that I can put our valuables in and put the stuff away. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We haven't unboxed this yet, so just gonna show you what comes with it, and then if you're interested in it, it's a pretty good. You'd be able to see what comes in this then. First off, there's a packet. We have the just telling us to save this document and some more just the warranty information that comes with it. You got it packed in there pretty well. The safe has, it's a digital safe that you can put the code in it, and it also has a key. It's a key one too, so if somehow the battery goes dead and you forget about it, then you can do it that way too. So other features of this is actually you can bolt this down. You can bolt it into a closet and out of the way, and someone can't just pick it up. Probably weighs maybe 40 pounds, so it's not that heavy of a safe. Like I said, it's not this one's not fireproof, but it's just something that we wanted to have, to be able to put our valuables in it, to be able to put it down if we wanted to. You can see there's holes here. These are about 18 inches apart. This is what we got so far. I'm gonna have to figure out how to open it. I think I didn't really look at the instructions yet, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna look at the instructions real fast, and I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I finally figured it out. We opened it up with the key. So you'll see with the key, I put the key in and opened it to get into it. First off, turn the lock, open the door up. It takes 4 AA batteries, so I'm going to put those 4 AA batteries in there right now for the electronic lock to be able to work. And then I'm going to show you a feature I actually just noticed as I was working on it here that is kind of neat too. You can either you can put this in the wall on the floor mount it, or you can put it on a you can do it in a stud on the back side. So like I said, you have your holes here, and then on the back side of this also you have holes. So you have holes here and holes there to be able to mount it to the wall with. So it looks like it's pretty standard. It comes with the wall toggles. It comes with a drywall toggle here if you're going to put it in the drywall, which I would try to put in a stud. And it looks like there's a couple little small carriage like wood bolts that goes into there. But I want to real quick do this, show you what it does. The batteries are in it. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to put in my unique number here and see if this will work. So you put your number in with this. You'll put your number in, and then it flashes. You put your number in, and then hit the pound key. It flashes for you, and then you're able to open it up. It's a pretty neat little safe that we can just store our valuables in it for right now until something else comes up. It gives you a little mat, so if you keep stuff in there that can't be scratched, if you have a handgun or something that you want to protect, you don't have a safe for that, you can stick it in here. Just another peace of mind, guys. Like we talked about before, prepping is just being prepared for anything. So this is just another tool for us to use security-wise for our prepping. So if you guys want to look at it, like I said, it's the Sentry safe. It's the X075. We got it at Walmart. under $100 safe. So if you're interested, and I hope this helps you guys at all. I know it's something different, not one of our food or one of our chicken prep or chicken videos. So so if you guys like that, please do us a favor, like, subscribe, share this out. Thank you.